bags. Y'all see them. Hey, when I came, I was like, damn, the back wheel is that far up? I'm like, oh no, it's on bags. Let it up. Talking about the thing was dropped, front and back. I'm like, how the hell he put this, bring this down this driveway? It sound good too.
That's for the while. I got no top end. It'll take off, but after that, it don't be nothing.
The back go up some more now.
Huh?
The back go up some more now. This man on bags, bro. This is crazy. What the fuck?
I can run 28.
And drop it back down. Hey, this shit crazy. Let me steal back. Alright, the trailer is safe. Trailer is safe at Carlos Miller Dog Pound. Hey. Next time I come here, I'm trying to see if I can get y'all a tour. Man, got so many cars. This is just the starting place of cars. Trans Ams, Cadillacs, Camaros, 96 Impala SS. That's his favorite right there. SS's, box Chevys, Donks, Corvettes. Man, got everything. But trailer is safe at its temporary spot. I'm still trying to sell the thing, man. 5,000. Somebody bring 5,000 and get the trailer. I want a 2-car. I don't really, like I said, I ain't buying on another truck, so this one could definitely go. I'll give me a 2-car. But yeah, back to the house so we can move these other cars in less than 2 hours. Cut y'all back on when we get there. Have to get the old work boots. So I get some grip. You push in the car, you need that grip. Look who just pulled up. KJ. Pull the old light bar out. Y'all see cool cars. Gotta get some assistance, man. Oh yeah, you can fit easy. Yeah. Swing it and winch it up. Yeah, that'll work too. This one got a steering wheel, so it'll be easy. I borrowed a jack for that black box. It's light out too. My light be out. Be crazy. Got the ramp slide at the back. Mine's on the side. I don't know mine. Definitely got the channels. I'll tell y'all about when y'all buy trailers, you get a channel. Some people that just get the bar, the flat bar style. Basically it's one bar and then this at the bottom. Flex a lot.
I got this one probably about 25 feet long. I could put a damn
Chain, I got a chain.
I got a tree saver, a tow strap. All of what we need. I wish I could remember that fucking dude. It's a dude that go live with drones.
Dun dun dun. It's the dunk. This car gonna be ooh, that paint looks crazy. That paint look crazy. But this car gonna be interesting, man. Like for real. It's that floor I was talking about some time ago. Dash gonna get wrapped. Somebody painted all that trim and stuff. This car gonna be interesting though. You know, sure is. It's gonna be pretty fast. I don't know about all the bodywork stuff because I'm trying to jump on the Chevelle sooner than later. So this car I don't really too much care about with that bodywork. But it's gonna run. The gauge set that's in the cream dunk is coming out. It's gonna go in here. I'm going HDX and cream joint.
So when I start pulling you? We're gonna turn it way over. We're gonna cut it way over so we can kind of get on the ramp.
I got some motor mounts. Let me go ahead and get these out. It's crazy. But I was selling the parts. But I was selling them parts off that green dump for. It's crazy what I got the car for. But I was selling them parts for so damn cheap. You got people arguing, want a bargain. You gotta give me a package deal. On some shit you can't find, you want a package deal. Come on, man. Crazy. Now that I sold my bumpers, I'm looking for bumpers. Sold both of mine for like $200. One bumper for a dump, man, like $700. A hood, $1,000. A header pound, $500. You don't know that though till you start looking for and buying parts. But when you find out about all that stuff. Oh, you know, yeah, that's y'all into racing.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, he just made it faster and better for me, so we're gonna do both at once. It's cool too. Get it out the way, man. So, I ain't got my tripod, but I'll see you gonna try to record for y'all. Oh, damn. It glitched. What happened? Oh shit. Yeah.
Jumped out there on him.
Hey man, I told you it's too cold out here, man. Cut check out to my phone and put it down, man. Boot out with the wind, y'all.
Don't. We gotta take the hood off because the hinge is not on. So I want the thing fly up. I told y'all a hood $1,000. I ain't trying to buy another hood. A lot. Man, if the car don't run, I'm gonna be skeptical on buying it. I gotta see what the shop look like. If I can get a nice angle with the trailer to roll a non-running car right into the shop, I'll continue. But I'm done with this pushing car stuff. Man, it's too much work. For the return, no interest. Too much work. But we got it in there. Next, we'll do another one. Car number 2. Let's get it on off. Let's get it on off. Car number 2 done. That was some work, man.
Yeah, we got it, though. We put 2 heads together and got it up in there.
Yeah, I couldn't do it by myself. Shit. My wife was like, I'll help you. I was like, I don't know, babe. It's kind of rough. Hey, if I can't put it on the trailer straight to the shop.
What we eat, man? What's for dinner?
Shit, my wife just cooked something.
Oh, man, I know you can't say that.
I'm finna ask.
Why take care of you?
I'm finna ask if she doing.
I'll find it.
Alright, now, to get some groceries. Hey, y'all see KJ got a light out too, man. Had to tell him, man. Much appreciated, because, man, I needed help. Ain't too many people I can call on for some help that I